Hello, I wanted to explain to you how the upcoming test on the Cold War is going to go. So what's going to happen is I am going to be giving you this packet right here. Okay, are the U.S. and Russia in a new Cold War? By Brookings. This article was published in the San Francisco Chronicle back in 2019, the inauguration day of 2019. So this article is what you're going to be doing is you're going to be reading this article. Now this article is 21 pages long. So before you get the gasp, which I know half of you or probably all of you just did right there, you have roughly 2 weeks to analyze this article and start looking for what you need to do. So what you're going to be doing on this test is going to be an essay. I'm going to give you an essay prompt of how do Russian American relations, so U.S.-Russian relations today, how are they influenced by the actions of the Cold War? So what you're going to be doing is you're going to be looking at current stuff going on between the United States and Russia and comparing that to what happened during the Cold War between the United States and the Soviet Union. Now the kicker on this one is you're going to have to cite evidence from this packet, this bit of information, this article, if you want to receive full credit. So what you need to do is you need to start by, one, reading this article carefully with that question in the back of your mind. I'd highly recommend you're going through, highlighting things in here that can help support your point, writing any notes, annotating this packet, whatever you need to do to help you be successful. The day of the test, you're going to come in here, you're going to have this packet for you, okay? I'll have some extra copies in here in case you don't have yours, but if you have yours, you're going to have notes and stuff already written on. It's going to make your life a lot easier. If you don't have that, it's going to be a bit of a struggle, so you have to go kind of quickly through this packet to find the information you need in order to be successful on this test. You're only going to have the 30 minutes of the class period to finish this essay, so it's important that you practice and prep at home. I would recommend figuring out your thesis statement at home, figuring out your outline at home, so when it comes in here for the test, you can just immediately get going on that essay. Okay, have something kind of roughly sketched out so that you know what you are going to be talking about. When you finish with the essay, then you're going to be turning it into me. You're going to turn in number 1, the essay. I'll hand you the papers and stuff for that. And number 2, you're going to turn in your packet so that I can look it over just to make sure everything is kosher with that right through there. Now, if you have any questions, this is a good time to get a hold of me. Feel free to email me, comment on this video down below. But the important thing is that you start prepping now. Okay, do not wait until later to try to prep for this one. Start prepping now. If you start prepping now, this is going to be a pretty easy test because everything you need to know is going to be right here in front of you. If you wait till last minute and don't actually read this article and think you're going to come in here in class, read the article quickly, and then write an essay, you're going to do very poorly on this test. So make sure you're ready to go from the get-go, and you will do fine. If you have any questions, again, get a hold of me. Otherwise, think back to what you know, review the set of notes on this playlist already. The information that you need to know is going to be in here as well. Look for comparisons in the article and you will do fine. I will see you later. Good luck.